Okay, we gotta talk. These little log cabin kits that you guys keep tagging me in, granted, they're beautiful. I like how they look, but there's one problem. They're not insulated worth a shit. I want you to look at the logs here, and I want you to use your best judgment to tell me how thick those logs are. Then I want you to look and take notice of the windows. And look at the windows. And now, look at the thickness of the wall. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Here's a better view. There is no insulation in these little cabins. They are built trusting entirely of the R value that is in the wood. And even if they're made of hardwood, they're only going to have like a 1.7 per inch of R value. So if I'm thinking those are 4-inch wide 4x6s, your greatest R value is only going to be 6.8. And if you're still not convinced, look at the rafters. Look at the thickness of the roof. And now look inside and look at the rafters. There's even less insulation in the ceiling. If you buy one of these, you're going to freeze your frickin' butt off. Unless you live someplace where it's hot. But then you'll sweat your frickin' butt off.